I think what is it, Baba? What to Guadila? What to Guadila? I'll push you focus, we'll push you focus, but fit. Sharp Kunjan. Smonan. Such a nice warm day in Joburg, very hot. We used to rain, so we're appreciating this. Oscar, all right? I'm good, man. How are you? How are you doing? Siyabonga, man. How's Mkopana? It's very nice. Very, very nice. I enjoyed myself. 227, I Kasila Makas. Tango. Cape Town next weekend. Naganja and Groovy Escape. Did you guys get your tickets? Do you have your tickets? And the maintenance. Ish. Fit. There's not even time to do this. We're just squeezing it in. That's corner con. Even the barber's looking fine. Hey, Nina. Hey. I am into Mazana, bro. So funny Baba yam. Nipho sebakufuna la manje. Athi he's taken, guys. Uthi sorry. He's taken uputi. Bayaxolisa. He's so sorry. I'm working, Abu Dhaka, man. I'm working, man, today. Then I'm taking Aibu. We need you in Limpopo. I was in Limpopo last night. Just last night at Mokopan. I was in your home. Amazing. I'm loving it. I'm having my first cut in my garden. So 28 December. Yes. Groovy Escape, Cape Town. That's born. I must come shave my armpits and Aibu. Ay. Bacela go sis. Ahlupha. And she's not joking. Udlala umseleko. Hayibo. Thina accept abantu la ngizona conversation.
Yeah, relocate.
Mbonani.
Right, awesome. Hi.
I'm phone.
Hi, Mr. Mbo.
Iphi voices phe?
Ihambile 5 December.
December kana ucala this weekend.
Ya December yabo. Hlenabo sisibani.
Hayibo, lapho conversation lapha emuva. Yo.
Usiswami.
Khayisa camera phela
Bafethu. Yeah?
Switch on your camera.
Switch on my camera. Okay. Marang makhiphi ne? Oh, we listen, we don't judge.
Hayi. Yebo.
Ashem ngikhiphi makhiphi shem.
Awulalanga man.
Yeah,
I'm chilling with my
cousin.
Nangu Oscar Mpo celebrity. Hi.
Hello.
My crush. My crush. Yo, lalihle usuku lami.
Hello.
Yo, how are you, Oscar? Yamazi.
Yaphila kunjani?
Hayi nami ngiyaphila mfethu ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila kakhulu ke sengivela yamazi kodwa. Askis, ngikhuluma ne-celebrity zethu, ngikhuluma ne-celebrity Askis. Hayi, asindoda Oscar Mbo siyaxolisa mfethu sorry. Sabuye, khanhlani. Cela usivakashele spread view. Cela usivakashele spread view.
Angizosithuleka.
Asacela mfethu.
Hayi ngizozwa.
Soka accommodator.
No accommodator kuphi?
Baba abantwana aphethe
Nyakanga.
Damaphara thina phethe banamanga lapha.
Hayibo amaphara.
Asika-afford. Ama wrong turn. Hayi, asika-afford shem. Ama wrong turn Oscar. Asiwa amaphara sikama wrong turn. Ayiphatha asika-afford mfethu bese ngathanda ukukhoza. Angitshela live bra. Uright shem umuntu noma yi-celebrity tu. Abantwana bami shem crush
Hayi.
My very own husband.
Hayi, awuyebo tamso wethu.
Awuthiyami.
Sakunjani?
Nadi proam.
Cela ukukhuluma croissant. Nayi croissant.
Ipi.
Ngiyangichaza.
Bathi nayi croissant.
Akusisinkwa. Croissant. Ken.
Shaya croissant shaya.
Ugeli wephondo nje.
Shaya kakhulu croissant shaya.
Baki proami.
Ngiyathanda bafethu. Ni right.
Siyabonga. Why sisadlile lapho siphe? Why sisadlile mara?
Sidlile fethu uDecember ayibo uDecember. Ikhaphi yomkhuba le.
AwuDecember, hayi eproam uDecember yekela abanye abantwana.
Hayi uDecember bafethu.
Ayabuza
Mara sizinto kodwa siyakowisha siyageza masigezile bafethu sibaye ungasho ukuthi mina sichaje awusho ukuthi asigezani asigeza kanje bafethu but kuba yinina shem we can clean up yebo ngiyanibona nonke lapho yabona le yabhuti le yawo umyeni wami abengane amfethu awuma afford mfethu awukambi yabo ma afford angeke
Primary friend.
Ngimnandi shaya mwena.
Easy proam kuyasipaneka.
Cela nisivakashele Chrisanti lapha ka Christos spread view zwakala boss. And yazwakala. iChrisanti yadinga
Yeza.
Angeke ngikhuluma, angeke sikhulume mfethu. Uyasiphazamisa ke lo khona la. Uyasiphazamisa. Decline. Hayi, busy kabi la. Nama celebrity. Uyasiphazamisa. beChrisanti mfethu.
Yeah.
Askabakhulu abangani.
Chrisanti mfethu. Wambiza kanje.
Chrisanti mfethu spread so close. Chrisanti woza. Ngokuthengela iHennessy kanami.
Eproam umzila thina athi we Chrisanti mfethu.
Ngokuthengela iHennessy nganami woza. Nawe siphiwe
woza. Hayi mina ngiphuza utshwala incese mama.
Ngizokuthengela iCoke woza mfethu.
Alright. Awuyakhuluma ke.
100% juice. Uzokwenzela icocktail ube ngathi uphuza utshwala ungaphuzi. Mfethu phela ngeke ngaba kusabriety.
Imocktail uzongithele bonga ngitholeni. Ihani badge.
Kwabamba ikhanda. Ubamba ikhanda then.
Ngoba bafethu ola sandila uyebo. Kapso wethu.
Nizomuzwa njalo umuntu siphe ngikhuluma nyodwa.
Ngesikhathi esi1 asinizwa.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, makale uthi Makuqala uspay uthini?
Ngithi ngiyakthanda i-vibe yakho.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami.
Angithi uyakwazi ukuphulama nabantu abaphuzayo mfethu. Wena ikhusana mfethu.
Hayi
Siyangena sentini ukuthi manje
phula mina, phula abanye abantu, khululeka ngiyabloma nawo.
Yeah.
Ngiyabloma nabo buhlula mina, buhlula abanye abantu, ngiyabloma nabantu abaphuzayo.
Avele uqala budala mfethu sobushiya la. Asinankinga. Bengisho nje ukuthi nase sentence sangena. Asikho so every day. Sometimes
Ngiyakuthemba Sphi.
Nami angithembe mfethu.
Kanti wayinichaza
Babu.
Akumele mfethu hayi phela samaphara manje asibona mfethu wrong 10 yalibona neroom futhi asinamahloniyo kodwa sijajeni bafethu hayi si right sijajeni si right
Kukani ke siyeza lapha man
mara ask wena
vala uchaza
Cape Town what
okay
la intombi yakho mfethu
ayifuza kwena
alright Sphi sizona space news sizonishaya around na
nize
Sharp.
mfethu Christos nisitshele bafethu DM
sharp siyeza
sunset bafethu mara
sharp
Abantu bayancanywa kaya njengoba uncanywa yonke inhlobo.
mfethu South Africa
Njani?
South Africa yonke.
Ngiyaphila.
uzakalani Sphi
Ngisemsebenzini.
ungenile ubhala nini
Next week Tuesday.
manje uyavala mos sele kancane Tuesday 22 ne
23.
Yeah. 23.
23 kusele kancane hayi bese
Ubhizi kakhulu amalanga usawazi. Ngithi ubhizi kakhulu amalanga usawazi.
hey sisam thina every day Saturday for thina like siyasebenza uyabona siyasebenza akusekho mnandi sokumsebenzi nje mara sikhalo sibonga uNkulunkulu yabo
Ya kakhulu.
Uva la eMzansi intanga.
ya ngilakasi nje ngilakasi ngisendini ngibambe ikhadi nenja yami hayi eNew York winter ngeke ngiyephesheya ngalesikhathi kuyabanda phesheya yes iwinter ngale bafethi serious iwinter ngale awina ngaphandle like ngi-right la Bakas perfect
igama lakho Elisha so ucrusante ezwa
no now TK uyicrusante nayi icrusante la ulibona njani nalifana ikhali icrusante nali icrusante la hayi mina ayikabi nali icrusante la kusini mina igama lami
hayi icrusante lenkosi yimi sisi
lalela caramel croissant bafethu khohlwa
ayikabi tala
ayikabi inja zokuvala bafethu ukugcina emhlabeni awusowethu
awuyebo
Michelle kunjani why camera yakho off Michelle
hello Michelle
Oscar.
sorry
How's your new home?
oh no no it's good I'm testing out the outdoor area I wanna ngikunda ngaphandle you know it's very good cleaner so it's very lovely
bashaya ngehouse call putomdala
inja ye-house call le ayina barber shop iye ebantwini idura yo ngayiboni so
that's great
yadura le nja le yadura le rubbish le yes
nami nginganidurela ngemakenu
yeah so
alone yakitop ngoba bayacleana phakathi
bacleana bafaka amakhethini lapha bona awuyebo
Ngiyakhona vele.
yeah no akufani guys Akufani guys.
Can you invite housewarming?
Sibonga. Angiyenzi lento leyo sisibam, angiyenzi ke mina lento leyo. Angiyenzi lento leyo.
Ebruami. Ngithi ngeza next year sobukela iWorld Cup awushama.
Athi yena akabelieve kuma-housewarming akafuni bantu kakhe because abantu banemimoya. And ngiyabona ukuthi yazi
Asifani abantu abantu we have different beliefs, yabo. Yeah, phela abanye abantu wena emzini yabo ngeke uzulibone. So sihlangane ema-mall nawe sihlangane etshwaleni, sihlangane ema-restaurant. Mara kuye meeting izufika ngathi uhlala la. Hayi kabi. Wait. So asihlangane ne-mall.
Asihlangane estradini.
imbi nje kodwa
Asihlangane ne-mall so right.
nge-weekend njalo wena amajita akuvakashele kakho yisiphithiphithi
Hayi
kuyabhawa mantombazane.
kanjani.
Hayi,
Bese futhi semuzi lo kumele uphathe izinto eziserious njengeenkabi zabantwana futhi. Lo muzi lo futhi kumele wenze lento le.
Umuzi kahle hle it's a sacred place.
Yes, 100%. 100%. Abona mina afana nokuthi nemizi yabantu mina self awuthi ngithanda hayi kodwa asamini sokubukela ibhola lapha asamini siwezani kuphi lapha unless we are really close. Abona masi close ngempela ukuthi imali like vice versa. Then yes, yabo.
Njengami nawe njayami.
Yeah, so we will cup la njam. So we gonna one game la masithuke lapho si-America.
Yo.
Mina ngiyoyibukela khona World Cup. So
Yes.
ngiyobukela the first 5 games la bese ngiyaphuma ngiyakulanda nje bese kube kuyi-winter kube kubanda ayikasi yobe bhora out. Savaya baba mefuna ungisika manje.
Puma out my dog.
Yabo. That
Yeah,
was his
sure.
piece. So maybe zoyenza lento zama-housewarming awuthi umuntu akhule kancane aqine hey manje sasebashana man hey sasebafana man hey asikwazi ukuthi sidlale nje lenze umathanda uyanhleka nje awuthi umuntu akhule aqine man hey asibone man hey for now hey hayi so uyasibona man hey yabo
Hayi kodwa
lingayi nakubaba wethu
Ebruami athi ngehlenyana Bruami ngisaphuma nyana njayami ube ne weekend emJoja angazi ngizokubona nini mara spirits sisonke ngiyakunqanywa my dog.
Nanti njama uyebo lapho hlabso wethu
Lapso wethu.
danke njama afethu
Are we
I also
gonna
have to
have
go.
the house tour?
SSP?
Are we gonna have
No.
the house tour?
No. Akukhonakali.
How but
Yazi inkinga
kodwa
yini.
le enye njalo sibusitshengisa yona the other house.
Yeah, mara ngisho bengazi ukuthi ngitshengisa ngoba yabo. Yeah, but maybe no, but no man. Inkinga yami hayi no umthetho vumi. Umthetho vumi.
Uyasikhalisela nje.
But,
Ngishanga screenshots.
Yeah, I'm showing my highlights.
Yes,
But you're right, guys. I also have to go. Got the neighbor live because I'm cutting my hair. So I'm pretty forward. Last one push cut. Manje. So we are neighbor live. You see this cut.
All right.
Yabo?
Okay.
Neighbor right. Enjoy your day. If I can born, enjoy your holidays. Simbe Christmas umnandi. This party kahle. Usafuna umbone unyaka ozayo, please.
You too.
All right. Bye, ladies. Slap a fish.